Just go up and do it, man. You're not going to fall that far. Walk all the way out. Go up and climb down that other tree. Go walk out the tree and climb down the other one. Out the fallen tree. Okay, now walk out it. Get up on the tree. You can do that. That's not going anywhere. You're light.
Yeah, I know. I can't climb down that tree, there's no branches.
Beckham, parkour, Jaco. Keep going.
I can't, man.
Yeah, you can.
I might die.
You're not going to die. Look at all those soft leaves down there. Just go out and touch the tree and come back.
Touch it. That's all you want?
Yep.
Alright, dude, I'm telling you. This thing's already shaking.
No, it's not. It's your knees.
No, it ain't. I'm telling you.
Hurry up. You could be out there and back. Do it.
I don't trust it.
Do it. I could do it.
Could you now?
Yes.
Just don't trust
It can't fall anywhere.
it. Yeah, it can.
It's stuck on that other tree. It can't fall. Look.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Halfway there, baby.
No.
Just go do it.
Dude, this thing's shaking.
That's all it's doing. You're almost there.
No. I can't.
Touch it. You're 2 feet away. Do it. You're not coming back until you do it. Touch that tree.
Dude, trust me on this.
Do it. Hurry up.
No, I can't. I'm getting weak knees. Getting weak knees.
You're right there.
I wasn't I?
Yes. Do it. Touch the tree and come back. I'm going to do it right after you, so.
You are, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh, dude.
Just do it. Oh, yeah. Good job. Go down low if you have to. Perfect. Yeah, baby.
Screw you, man.
Good job. Faced your fear, bro. I guess now I gotta do it here.
Yeah, you do. Oh, man. It's scarier than you think. Uncle Dan. Doing it, the tree.
Whoa.
Careful. Told you. You don't have to do this.
Sure do. This is 185 pounds.
Oh, crap, man. Careful. Touch it. Touch it. Attaboy. Attaboy. Now just make it back. Ooh. And he does it.